What's up guys, it's Hashidayami back again with another short tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can create this drop-down effect when the user clicks on a drop-down input field and this list appears, and we want the user to scroll in this list too. So let's jump into it. Alright, so this is my screen and I want this list to appear when the user clicks on this user type input field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this input field, go to prototype, link this to my sheet. Now here you are going to select on click or while hovering, that's your choice. I'm going to go with on click. I want the click to be the trigger to open this specific list. So we are going to select open overlay, and in open overlay the position would be manual because I want this drop down to open somewhere around here. So when you press manual, what Figma does, it shows that list in your screen. It's not actually there, it is just showing you or asking you where you want to put that list when the user clicks that button. So I want to place this list right over here, and I'm going to check mark these two options. I want the list to close when the user clicks outside that list, and I want a background overlay as well with 25% opacity. Now when I click this, you can see that the list is appearing, and when I click outside it disappears. So what happens when the list is long? Let's see. Okay, so let's assume that we have a long list, but the height of the list is somewhere around here. Now what I want to do is I'm going to clip the content, so the items inside this list are not going to appear until the user scrolls. And how are we going to introduce that scroll effect? So I'm going to select this list, go to prototype and select vertical scrolling. So now if I check this in my prototype, we have a scrollable drop-down list. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more of these quick and easy tips, and see ya. Bye.